Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to return to the temporary address in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page. As you see here, I have 3 websites built using Hostinger website builder, and this one in the middle called benstestsite.com. Now, to return, as you see, it uses a custom domain, which is a .com domain. To return this website to return to using a temporary address instead of this domain name, simply click on these 3 dots, select change domain, click on I understand that email, subdomains, and backups linked to the current domain will be lost. Click on change. And here, instead of filling a domain name, click on use temporary domain. Domain added to your site, and now this temporary domain. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Domain added to your site, and now this temporary domain was added to your website. It's time to build your online success. Click on continue, and just like that, the website that was using this address, if you refresh it, it will show a page not found, and when you access it using this new temporary address, it will start working using this long name .builder-preview.com. And this is how to return to temporary address in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.